Hey, after 7 months later, I'm back. You won't believe the surprise I have in today's video. These mini car unboxing videos are going viral on social media right now. So why am I saying that? Just take a look at this Instagram account. These videos have gotten unimaginable amounts of views: 6.6 million, 4.9 million, and 2.1 million. The best part is, this is a low competition niche that we can use for YouTube. What that means is, there's a much higher chance of your videos getting a huge number of views. And these videos are super easy to make. Today I'm going to show you how to make these videos for free. So without wasting more time, let's get into today's video. So first, come to ChatGPT, or you can use Gemini or anything else. Come and give it this prompt. Then ChatGPT will generate 10 of the most popular car models for us right now. Alright, let's see what the next step. So to make our video, I'm using this website called Pixverse. With this, we can generate our video. This is what the website looks like. I've put the link to the prompt we need to generate our videos in the description. Give that prompt here. Then, in the section where it says Vehicle, copy one of the vehicle names we generated earlier and paste it here. Below that, there are some settings. From there you can select the resolution you like. Then select your video size and select your video duration. If you want, there are models here too. You can select those as well and set up your settings. Finally, all you have to do is hit the Create button. In a little while, it will generate the video for us. This is how you can watch your video. So if you make videos like this and upload them to your YouTube channel consistently, even daily, you'll be able to see good results. So what do you think about today's video? Drop a like on the video and also leave your thoughts in the comments. If you haven't joined my channel yet, join the channel and let's meet in the next new video.